Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Latoya and I would love to have you be a part of my ever-growing band of misfit toys. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review, I guess, slash first impressions of the new palette by Pat Mcgrath. I wanted to get the bigger size of this palette in the really cute packaging, but I missed out. So I decided that when this one came out, I would pick it up because it's cheaper. And yeah, it has pretty packaging. Packaging is really important when you buy something. Anyways, enough rambling. This is the palette right here. It is the Mothership Rose Decadence palette. How gorgeous is that? Oh, sorry. Super, super pretty. It matches my nails, or my nails is matching the palette today. So if you would like to see how this palette applies and what I think of it, then please keep watching. This is the new mini Pat Mcgrath palette. It is, as I said, the Mothership Rose Decadence palette. Oh, I love the packaging. It is beautiful. It didn't come with an outer box, which I guess because the packaging itself is so pretty that I didn't need it. It comes with a mirror, nice and large, which is really good. Inside are the shadows. There's this sheet with the names. And the colors are super pretty. Here's a better look at them. They are really nice. So what am I gonna do? I haven't decided yet. I saw something on her Instagram, a look on her Instagram that I was interested in. I was like, should I go there or should I just kind of do my own thing? So I think I'm going to go in. I'm not going to say shade names because, yeah, you can tell the difference. I'm going to go in with this shade here first, and I think I'm going to be doing a halo eye. So I'm going to go in with that deep, kind of like, I don't know, what would you call it? It's almost like a burgundy color. I hope it's dark enough. If it's not, I don't know, maybe I should swatch it first. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna swatch it. Okay, it's not really dark. So what I did see on her Instagram was her putting down like a black liner and then this color on top. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be going in with the Permagel Ultra Glide Eye Pencil in the shade Extreme Black by Pat Mcgrath, and that's it right there. It's just a regular pencil, and I'm going to use a little Real Techniques brush. It is the shader brush, I guess. The wording is coming off to blend that out. So I'm going to put a little bit. Oh, I'm so afraid because I've never done this before, and I don't know how well this pencil works, like how fast it sets. It doesn't set that fast, thank God, but it's a good thing that I didn't do both the outer and inner corners at the same time, because that would have been pretty bad. Oops, I got a little bit out here that I didn't want. I put some more. I think a little bit more would be good. I need to fix the outside because that's driving me crazy. That's the wrong blender. That's why that's not working. Much better. Okay, just gonna go a little bit back and forth with that to get it the way I want it. I'm trying to look at the shape and see if I like it. All right, I think I've gotten to a point that I'm okay with. So let me go in with that brush again. this is a Real Techniques brush, and go over that black with this shade right here. I'm gonna tap it off. What do we think? Too dark? I don't know. Looks like it's a little harsh, so let's blend that out a little bit. I don't know. Still working with that same color. Okay. I'm going to trust the process, I guess. And I'm gonna go in with, I'm gonna go in with the lighter shade right down here, the lighter pink. I don't know, boys and girls. Okay, with a lot of finessing, I got it to a place where I want it. Now, it's time to pick one of these shimmery shades. I'm gonna swatch all the shades right now in the back of my hand so that you can see what they look like. Okay, those are not the best swatches, but those are all of the shades right there. I think this one up here is a duochrome. It looks like it anyways. Oh yeah, and this one as well. At the moment, I'm going to go in with a dry brush and see how that works. Tap it off really good because I don't want any shimmer on my face. Well, let's see if I could try my finger. With these nails, I don't know. So if you boys and girls have fingers with no nails on, looks like fingers is not a bad look. But since I do have nails, it's a little bit difficult to situate. But how pretty is that? I just have to get it. Okay, let's see if I can do it. No. Oh, and I have fallout. Oh god, I'm gonna cry. Alright, take a breath. Take a breath. Everything's gonna be alright. Alright, that worked. I'm going to wet my brush a little bit because I need to. With some primer water. I'm only going to go into a little bit of the pan so that I don't like mess it all up. Oh yeah, that works just great. That is so pretty. I'm loving it. Just have to fix it up a little bit. I think it came out pretty good, especially since I've never done that before and I wasn't sure what was going to happen. I was able to fix whatever issues I had. So now I'm going to pop off camera. I'm going to put some brows on, do the other eye, some lashes, and finish the rest of the face. I have finished the rest of my face makeup. I'm actually testing out a foundation today, so look out for that video. I'm not sure which one's going to go up first. And I'm going to do my lower lash line. So I'm pretty much going to mimic the same as the top. Let's see how this goes. Oh boy. I'm going to take a tiny little pencil brush. I'm going to use that to put the shadow on top. That's looking good so far. I also put the same black in my waterline, and then I'm going to take another little pencil brush to put the shimmer. I'm going to spray that with some primer water so that it adheres. What do we think? I like it. I think I need to add a little bit more of the burgundy shade. I am pleased. I'm very pleased. I'm going to do the other eye off camera because this one is watering like crazy whenever I do anything close to the waterline. It's a lot. This is the finished eye look. I was a little uncertain at first, especially because I was struggling in the beginning with the liner as the base. However, I love how this look turned out. Whatever I didn't mention in the video today that I used, I will list in the description box down below. That's the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a big thumbs up. It really helps me out. Leave a comment in the comment section down below and let me know what you thought about this look and this palette. I really enjoyed it. I'm glad that a smaller version and a cheaper version came out. Did I mention? I think it was $65 instead of the $129 or the $125 of the larger palette. And I get the color scheme and the vibe without having to pay that extra $60 or so, which is really nice. And I'm glad that I have it in my collection. Let me know what you thought about it. If you picked it up yourself, if you're interested in getting it now that you've seen it in this video, and also tell me what else you would like to see on my channel. If you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? It is a good time over here at the Latoya Show. It's completely free. It doesn't take a lot. All you have to do is click that button down below, and while you're down there, click the notification bell and make sure that it's on all so that you'll be notified when I upload my next video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!